Hey guys, I'm gonna be showing my Game Maker platform game. So, the player is the yellow block, and the orange blocks are spawners or spawn red blocks, which kill the player if they touch them. So, here it goes. WASD or arrow keys to move, and mouse or whatever the keypad to shoot or point and shoot. Yeah, you basically shoot if your guy is moving. So you always have to stay mobile in this game. And if you the objective of the game is just to destroy all the spawners. So do that and you win. And I have really low gravity on too, so you can do some pretty high jumps. Uh yeah, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed and have a good day.